Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just came back from a big Huawei event which launched several key and flagship products. Yes, I'm back at home and I have just been spending way too much time enjoying myself eating all the Malaysian food. Really awesome. So for the Singapore market, 3 products will launch, namely the P60 Pro, which is Huawei's poster child and main flagship phone. Secondly, the very impressive foldable phone, the Mate X3, and the latest tablet that they have, which is the 11-inch one, which is called the Matepad. The P60 Pro comes with new camera system, which brings mobile photography to a whole new level. They now have this thing called the ultra lighting telephoto camera with multiple lens group. The big showcase over here is that this new camera system allows more light to hit the sensor, which means this phone is great for night photography or performing under low light condition. The other big highlight is the new display, which is a new quad curve display with Huawei's exclusive durable Kunlun glass panel. And this is not just some random glass. This Kunlun glass is supposedly to make the display a whole lot more durable, 10 times more than the usual screen that's slapped on most of our phones. I wonder if anyone is going to do a stress test on the screen. Waiting for that. The more exciting of the 3 products is definitely the foldable phone. The previous iteration, which was the X2, was impressive, yes, but the X3 is here to wow us all over again. It was actually a pleasure to see Google's new foldable phone got revealed a few hours before I get to see the X3, so I can compare a head-to-head comparison between Google's and Huawei's. And I gotta say that the X3, which is Huawei's, looks more sophisticated and a bit more advanced. The Google foldable one, I don't know why, but it looks like a first generation iPad to me. You know how thick those were, right? Yeah, but just my first impression. I digress. Coming back to the X3. The X3 weighs only 239 grams. That is practically weightless. And I'm very sure that the scenes that I carry and committed during my lifetime is a whole lot heavier than the X3. It also carries the IPX8 rating, which is primarily water resistant. The display is probably the one that caught my heart and my eyes because it's really beautiful with its 426 pixel per inch, and when unfolded it becomes a 7.85 inch tablet with a stunning display of 2496 by 2224. The screen refresh rate is 120 Hz and it has DCI P3 color gamut. So, you know what, Huawei, just take my money already. Alright, I'm sold. The last product is a refresh of the Matepad series, the Matepad 11. What's awesome about this entire package is that the tablet comes with a stylus and a keyboard. So screw you, brands who force us to purchase these accessories separately. We have lives, you know. We need all that money for our kids, for our wives. Wait, did I just say wives? No, wife, singular. The Matepad also has very nice display, 2.5K resolution, 120 refresh rate, and also DCI P3 color gamut. This might rival the latest entry-level iPad. The stylus for handwriting and note-taking feels seamless. If you are anyone who deals with a lot of note-taking, handwritten ones of course, or who dabbles in art, digital art, and if you are looking for an affordable productivity tablet which is already packed with a keyboard and a pen stylus, and who do not want to pay a bomb and be trapped in an ecosystem, especially Apple's, this might be something for you. Alright guys, that's it for my wrap up. I'll let you know if I'm going to do any full review for any of these products that I've mentioned today. But if you want to, get subscribed and hit the bell notification button so that you will not miss out on any of the videos that I will be producing talking about any of these products. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!